have so much I wish to share about Joe. For the many times we've been Joe, I can't help always having a dry mouth when I want to talk about him. Because as much as 17 years and the few days the Lord gave him might not seem enough for some of us. We have to understand and we have to accept what happened. I will struggle with it. The sisters, Taina Mudhoni, Grace, Moyem Magogo is still struggling with it. I managed to break the news to the young one yesterday, and we really cried the whole night, couldn't sleep. So here I am again alone, because it's not that easy. Well, you may want me to say so much about him. Daniel, thank you. Daniel Mohogo, thank you for talking about Joe. You said much. Most of you have said a lot about Joe that I wish to say too. But it's going to be probably the last day for me to stand in front of you and wish we could always have the powers to turn back the hands of time, as we do when we write our shows out there, as we write movies and we talk about how people resurrect. But unfortunately, this is not a movie. We have to move on. I really did my best, Joe. I did try to change. I did try to change you too. And one thing I respect you, Joe, is you never stopped calling me daddy. No matter how many times I tried to make it formal, just a formal relationship, trying to bring you up as a friend, creating the best time with you, but you never stopped calling me daddy. You're my only son, and you're the only one who calls me daddy. Thank you.